Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. It's been quite a long time since we've done any type of detailing or format that pertains to boats, gel coats, high solid finishes. Today we're working on a Sea-Doo. The top half of it is going to be exposed, and we need to correct it, restore it, and protect it. The bottom half is going to be wrapped, so we don't need to worry about that. So let's get this job started. Restoring or correcting gel coat is a bit of a different story compared to clear coat. It's a much harder, tenacious surface to work on. It's very absorbent, so whatever you put on top will be wicked in, or it'll drink it right in. So those are two aspects that are a little bit different than clear coat. To get today's job finished, we're going to team up a rotary polisher with a hybrid wool pad, which will cut to the chase and quickly remove oxidation and imperfections. And we're also going to throw the Rupes XC2 into the mix. That is an extra cut compound made for all types of polishers, but formulated for quickly removing imperfections on high solid or industrial surfaces such as gel coats, which can include boats, RVs, Sea-Doo, off-road vehicles, snowmobiles, you name it. To me, the rotary polisher will always be the tool of choice when it comes to restoring or correcting hard surfaces like this. So you'll see the polisher be twisted and turned and tilted in many different ways to get in contact with all of the surfaces on the machine here. Many contours, points, body lines, peaks. If it was a flat surface, you always want to keep the polisher as flat as you can, but with something like this, you need to tilt the tool and get it in the right position to do correction. So before we go any further, I do want you to keep in mind when it comes to not just this channel but other channels, watch out for scammers down below in the comments section, especially if they're running a raffle or a giveaway or something like that. They will copy and paste your icon or the picture of your channel and try to get in contact with you to run a scam. Report them. Send them a message that I said they're scumbags, and move on with your day. When it comes to me in the comment section, I'm going to heart your comment first, and then I will comment, and you will see not only my icon or the channel picture, but you'll also see at Apex Detail. As the video rolls, you'll see the polisher twisting and turning so I can get all of the surfaces, but the polisher is always removing. Now, there is less of a chance to burn through gel coat because it is very thick in most cases and very hard and tenacious and stubborn, but keep the temperature down, keep the polisher moving, and the combination of the XC2, the wool pad, and the polisher will get you the results you are looking for. Another thing to keep in mind when you're working on gel coat or similar surfaces, it's going to be a little bit harder to wipe off the polish because of the absorbency of the material. Gel coat really wicks polish oils into its surface, and you may need a decent panel prep to clear off the residue to see where you stand. So that team there does the trick, and you may choose to do another step and finish down. But being the stubborn, hard surface that gel coat is, even with this team here, you won't see too much of a hazing or cut marks in the surface to finish off, but you can definitely have that second step to really bring out the color, the shine, the gloss, and the depth if you choose. So here is where we stand so far. A huge difference from the top of this Seacraft down to the bottom where an old wrap was. It's heavily oxidized, lots of scrape marks and scratches and you name it. Huge difference. And although it does look like new again, there are some tools we can bring in to put some numbers behind what we are seeing. And when it comes to the jump in gloss, a huge jump. And just like any other surface, if you're working on single stage or clear coat, you want to remove the polish oils or any residue before your protection step. So we'll use the panel prep of your choice, or you can make your own with isopropyl alcohol. When it comes to protection for this sort of a craft, it's going to be an easy choice. Blue Collar 7 is our high solids industrial version of a coating, super hydrophobic, extra durable. It is a little bit more tacky to apply and remove, but the results are well worth the trade-off. I highly recommend giving it a shot on not just your car, truck, or motorcycle, but your boat, RV, or watercraft. Holds up excellent, not only to salt water, but car washes, tunnel washes as well, and I will have a video on that coming up as well. The information on the product will be in a link down below in the description box. Application of this coating and, well, really any other coating is going to be a little bit different than your single stage or clear coat surfaces. You're going to load up your pad often, and it often takes 2 coats for a nice thick even coat as well. Why? Because gel coat is so absorbent and will wick anything you put on top of it into its deep down into its material. Apply to a 2x2 section, wipe it off, move on from top to bottom. 2 hours in between layers, put your second coat on, let that cure for 24 hours without introducing to rainfall or free-flowing water. Top it from there. I recommend Blue Collar 3 and enjoy. Don't just stop with the gel coat alone. Coat and protect all hard surfaces, well, including the seat. The sun's rays, if you take it out on salt water, the vehicles do take heavy abuse, and the coating will help preserve those finishes. From here, we just let the coating cure properly, and then the final step is for you to just enjoy your toys. This has been Brian from Apex Detail. If you have any questions at all on the video, leave them down in the comment section. We'll catch you in the next video.